Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Oh, so delicious! This panna cotta, which translates to cooked cream, has always been a favorite. And this recipe surely did not disappoint. It's good on its own, but it's escalated in taste when the fruit was added. Sprinkle the gelatin over the cold milk in a medium-sized bowl and let stand 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a low heat temperature, add 2 cups of heavy cream, then add 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir, and once the sugar is dissolved, remove from the heat. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Next, pour the gelatin over the very warm panna cotta mixture. Stir until the gelatin is completely dissolved. And set aside. Moving on a medium-high heat temperature, let's add the berries. A quick cooking berry compote made with red raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. It is always best to use fruits when they are in season. Bring to the boil, then simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Don't overcook, or the fruits will not hold their shape. And it's ready! Set aside, and once it's cooled down, store in the fridge. Let's go back to our mixture panna cotta. Lightly oil the cup. Divide the panna cotta mixture into the prepared cups. You can also pour the panna cotta mixture into wine goblets or drinking glasses, so you can serve them in the glasses without unmolding. Cover, then chill them until firm in the refrigerator, which will take at least 4 to 8 hours. And after 8 hours, they are ready to serve. To unmold, slide a knife around the edge of panna cotta and gently place onto plate. Then let's add our homemade compote berries. Who doesn't like quick and easy recipes, right? This panna cotta itself, it's literally ready in no time. It only takes minutes to make and everyone can do it. Let's also add sliced fresh peach. This panna cotta dessert, it's very popular throughout Italy. It has an incredibly smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture like nothing else. Panna cotta looks and tastes fancy, but is quick and easy to make. The fresh berry sauce makes every creamy spoonful perfectly sweet and tangy. It is also very elegant and surprisingly simple. That is Cooking Simply Delicious! So good. That was very, very good. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!